Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Netlify project name. This is helpful if you want to better organize your projects or align the name with a recent rebrand. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and type app.netlify.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the project you want to rename. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Netlify dashboard. Look over to the left sidebar where you'll see several navigation options. Click on Projects. This section displays all the projects currently under your account, making it easy to manage and organize your work. Now, from the list of projects displayed, select the one whose name you want to change. Clicking on it will open up that specific project's overview page where you can access detailed settings and configurations. Once you're inside the project, turn your attention back to the left panel. Here, you'll find various options related to your project's settings and management. Click on Project Configuration. This is where you can make deeper changes to how your project is set up and displayed. Within the Project Configuration section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Change Project Name. This is the exact feature you need to update your project's identifier. Click on it to proceed. You'll now see a field displaying the existing project name. Click inside this field and delete the current name completely. Once it's cleared, type in your new project name. Make sure it's something descriptive and easy to remember for future reference. After you've entered the new name, look for the Save button and click it. This confirms your changes and updates the project name across your Netlify account. You may notice the page refreshes or a confirmation message appears, letting you know the update was successful. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Netlify project name, making it easier to identify and manage going forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.